passing through origin with a slope m here. Even here also you know the point up and the slope here. Let's use the same formula. Point slope form. Okay. Therefore, equation of the line. Take care of solution. Equation of the line passing through zero zero means origin with the slope m is y minus y naught is equal to m into bracket x minus x naught here. Use this formula. Here y naught is this 0. M into x minus x naught is this 0 here. Minus of 0. Y minus 0 is a y itself here. M into x mx here. Okay. Therefore this is the line here. And remember it is a standard result here. Okay. It's the line passing through origin with the slope m is y is equal to mx. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ y is equal to mx ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, m ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ m ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ line having different slope here. When m changes, you will get a different equation of the lines here. Next, find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degrees. Okay, you know the point and you know the angle here. Using this angle, you can find the slope of the line m here. Okay, because you know slope m is equal to what here? Tan of theta. Theta is 75 degree. So tan of 75 degree becomes a slope here. So this is a standard result in the trigonometry. Remember it here. Sin 15 degree. This in terms of degree. In terms of radian, it is a pi by 2. 75 degree. In terms of radian is 5 pi divided by 12. Therefore, sin 15 degree value is this root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Sin 75 degree is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Cos 15 degree root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Cos 75 degree is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Tan of 15 degree is 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 degree is 2 plus root 3. These are the standard results. Just like a sin 30 degree 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2, sin 90 degrees 1, like that. These are also what a standard result here. Okay. Therefore, in this case, they given x naught y naught here. X naught y naught is equal to 2 comma 2 root 3 and theta is equal to 75 degree. Therefore, m is equal to what here? Tan theta. That is equal to tan of 75 degree here. Then tan 75 degree is 2 plus root 3 here. 2 plus root 3. This is the standard value here. Therefore, equation of the line. Equation of the line is y minus y naught is equal to m into bracket x minus x naught here. So y minus y naught is there. Okay. So y minus y naught is 2 root 3 here. 2 root 3 is equal to, and m is 2 plus root 3 here. 2 plus root 3 into x minus x naught is this 2 here. X naught is 2. Okay. Now take this 2 plus root 3 inside the bracket here. So y minus of 2 root 3 is equal to 2 plus root 3 into x minus of this into this here. 2 into bracket 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Okay. Then take this minus 2 inside the bracket here. So y minus of 2 root 3 is equal to 2 plus root 3 into x. 2 2s are 4 here. Minus of 4. Minus into plus minus of 2 root 3 here. Okay. Then this minus 2 root 3 and this minus 2 root 3 get cancels here. Take this term and this one left hand side here. This becomes a minus of 2 plus root 3 into x. Then a plus y. Minus 4 becomes a plus 4. That is equal to 0. So usually the x term must be positive here. That's why multiplying both sides by minus 1 here. Okay. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. So 2 plus root 3 into x. Plus into minus is a minus. Minus 5. Plus into minus is a minus of 4. That is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line passing to the point 2, 2 root 3, making angle 75 degree with the x axis here. So the next example here, intersecting the x axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin with a slope of minus 10. This is the line here. Okay. This is the line intersecting x axis at a distance of 3 units here. This is the 3 units to the left of origin and the slope is minus 2 here. Therefore, use this formula. This one. This y is equal to m into bracket x minus dr. Okay. Here d is equal to minus 3. M is equal to minus 2. Therefore, equation of the line is y is equal to m into bracket x minus d. Therefore, y is equal to, here m value is a minus 2, so use here minus 2 into x minus of this minus d. Minus of minus d. Then y is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2x here. Minus 2 into this term. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus here. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus is a minus here. And 3 into 2 becomes 6. Take both term left side here. Minus 2x becomes 2x here. Plus 2x plus y. Minus 6 becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line. Intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin and making angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis here. Okay, this is the line here. The line here cuts y-axis at a distance of 2 units from the origin and it lies above here. Okay, 2 units above the origin means this one C is y-intercept here. Okay, here C is y intercept. Okay, and the line makes angle 30 degree with the x-axis here, means theta is 30. Using this theta, you can find a slope here. You know slope m is equal to what here? Tan of theta. Okay, therefore here C is equal to 2 and theta is equal to 30 degree here. Therefore, m is equal to tan of theta. Therefore, this equal to tan of 30 degree here. And you know tan 30 degree standard value is 1 divided by root 3. Therefore, equation of the line is equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus cr. You know y interceptor and slope m here. So use this formula. Y is equal to mx plus cr. Then y is equal to m is 1 by root 3 here. So 1 upon root 3 and c value is 2 here. So plus 2. Plus 2 here. Okay. And here m into x here. So write here x. M into x means 1 by root 3 into x plus 2x. Then here LCM is root 3 here. So y is equal to root 3 LCM. In the right hand side here, x into 1 becomes x plus root 3 into 2 becomes 2 root 3 here. LCM is root 3. Take the root 3 this side here, cross multiply. So root 3 into y is equal to x plus 2 root 3. X plus 2 root 3. Take both term left side here. Therefore, minus of x plus root 3 into y minus of 2 root 3 that is equal to 0. Okay, take this left side here, minus x, then plus root 3y. Take this one also left hand side, minus 2 root 3. But x term always positive, that's why multiply both sides by minus 1 here. So x minus of root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0 here. So this is the equation of the line. Having a y interceptor to making angle 30 degree with the x-axis. Equation of this line is this one. Find the equation of the line passing to the 2 points here, minus 1, 1 and 2, minus 4. So use this formula. The line passing to 2 points here, the equation of the line is this here. Okay, therefore, take your solution. Here, x1, y1 is equal to minus 1, comma 1 and x2, y2 is equal to 2 minus 4 here. Therefore, equation of the line is equation of the line is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 here. Okay. Therefore, y minus y1 is 1 here. Okay, y1 is 1 divided by y2 is minus 4 here. So minus 4 minus of y1 is 1 here. That is equal to x minus x1 is minus 1 here. Minus 1 divided by x2 value is 2 here. 2 minus of minus 1. So y minus 1 divided by minus 4 minus 1 gives minus 5, that is equal to minus into minus plus here, x plus 1 divided by minus into minus plus 2 1 are 2, sorry 2 plus 1 becomes 3 here, divided by 3. Take this 3 this side, minus 5 this side, cross multiply, ओरे गुणाकार दे देगा, so what the 3 ಬರ್ಕಡೆ. Okay, take this 3 this side, 3 into y minus 1 is equal to minus 5 into x plus 1 here. Cross multiply, ಓರೆ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಈಗ 3 inside ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 5 inside ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 into y becomes 3y. 3 ones are 3. Minus of 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 5x minus into plus minus of 5 ones of 5. Take both term left side here. Minus 5x becomes plus 5x here. Then plus 3y. Minus of 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. Hence 5x plus 3y. 5 minus 3 becomes 2. That is equal to 0. So therefore this is the required equation of the line passing through two given points here. So perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units. Means this is a line here. Okay. Then this is a perpendicular. This distance is 5 units. Means P is equal to 5. Length of the normal is 5. And angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degree. This is a perpendicular. This makes angle 30 degree with the x-axis here. Okay. Therefore, here you know P and omega. So use this normal form here. Okay. So here, so P is equal to 5. Omega is equal to 30 degree here. Okay. Therefore, equation of the line. Equation of the line is x into cos omega plus y into sin of omega is equal to P. Then x into cos of omega value is 30 degree here. Cos 30 degree plus y into sin of 30 degree is equal to P value is 5. Then x into cos 30 degree value is root 3 divided by 12. Then plus y into sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2 is equal to 5. Then here 2 is the LCM. Write 2 in the denominator. X into root 3 is root 3x plus y into 1 becomes y is equal to 5. Take to this side here, root 3x plus y and 2 pi is 10 here. Take 10 left side here, root 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. So you have just observed here, in all these examples, whatever I saw here, ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ಮತ್ತು ಇವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇವೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಈಗೇನು 2 ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಒಂದು 2-3 ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಾನೇನು ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇ ಪಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಒಮೆಗಾ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.